I took out the vents, I should say. Note to self, to release that, you basically, how did I do that? Yeah, you just pull down and that comes out. That one has two buttons on the side you push in. So I was trying to pull this apparatus out and I was stuck, and I had to remove two screws before it would pull out. So you've got to remove this, which is connected to that. You remove the screw, and then the other one here is just a dead spot. I don't know what it's for, or what I don't have the option. And you remove that, then you remove that screw. So putting it back on should be reversed. The problem was, and the other connector was the emergency right here, was this arm was disconnected from the vent selector. So basically, when the passenger was in, it got zero airflow. So now the airflow open and close. So basically you just put a tool in there and snap it back in. So this is fixed. Like I said, best way, shove something underneath it and then push down and snap it in. Very easy job. Now it's got airflow. Bit size was a T20. All right, there's the one screw. And still got to connect. Snap in. And snap in there. To get it out, use this tool, shoved it in there, and kind of went around and then up like that. Comes right out that way. I was trying a few dental tools, but that was the best step. All right, let's test for airflow. Before, had no airflow. Let's see here. Fan on. Air there. Air there. So now I have airflow both sides. Cheers. As always, please subscribe.